Welcome to DPFunFacts. Today, we'll have a closer look at one of the fascinating creatures, turtles. Turtles have endured numerous natural calamities over the course of their more than 200 million year existence, make them one of the oldest living animal. So let's get started and discover 8 interesting facts about these incredible critters. Let's go into it. Turtles spend most of their time in water and tortoises live on land. It's a common misconception that turtles always live in water and tortoises always live on land. The reality is a bit more complex. The eastern box turtle spend more time on land and only sometimes go swimming. On the other hand, Galapagos giant tortoise have been observed wading into water and even swimming. So, the distinction between turtles and tortoises is vital. It's important to remember that there can be exceptions to the rule. If freshwater turtles remain out of the water too long, they can dry out, which may cause them to die. Freshwater turtles' bodies are built to keep them hydrated. They have evolved to live near or in water. If they are out of the water for an extended amount of time, they may become dehydrated, which can cause major health issues and even death. In the wild, when it's hot and dry outside, freshwater turtles may take refuge in muck or in the shade to stay hydrated. Every species of turtle lays its eggs on land. All species of turtles, both freshwater and marine, lay their eggs on land. Female turtles typically find the sandy or soft soil areas where they can dig a hole to deposit their eggs. The mother turtle covers the eggs with sand or soil once they have been laid, then she goes back to the water. Depending on the species and the surrounding environment, the eggs will incubate in the warmth of the sun for a few weeks to a few months before they hatch and the young turtles emerge. Turtles can drown. They can drown if they are unable to reach the surface of the water, even though they have the capacity to hold their breath for long periods of time, or even they are able to move the water across their scales, which contain red blood cells that can intake small amounts of oxygen from the water. Turtles still need to come up to surface in order to breathe. Turtles can live longer than humans. Depending on the species, turtles can live for several decades or even over a century, which is much longer than the average human lifespan. The gender of the turtle is determined by temperature where their mother lay the eggs. Temperature affects the gender of some turtle species, with warmer temperatures favoring females and cooler temperatures favoring males. Many reptile species, including some snakes and lizards, engage in a process known as temperature-dependent sex determination. Species to species, the exact threshold temperature varies, but it normally ranges from 25 to 33 degrees Celsius. Turtles don't have ears, but they're not deaf. They don't have external ears, but they can still hear. Instead of ears, turtles have thin flaps of skin that cover internal ear bones. These bones receive vibrations and low-frequency sounds, allowing the turtle to hear its surroundings. However, they are not able to hear high-frequency sounds. Additionally, turtles are able to sense vibrations through their shells, which helps them to detect the presence of potential threats or prey. Turtles love to travel. Marine turtles can migrate incredibly long distances. The longest known swim is for a female leatherback turtle. She covered nearly 21,000 kilometers over 647 days from Indonesia to the west coast of America. That's over 30 kilometers a day. That's incredible. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. Don't forget to subscribe to DPFunFacts for more interesting animal facts. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.